Hello and welcome to Shopify Experts. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe it and press the bell icon so you can get all the upcoming videos at your one page. We will see how discounts work in Shopify admin. And if you click on the discounts, you will see this screen. There is two types of discounts, discount codes and then automatic discount. We will first see discount codes. You can also export the discount codes from your bulk discounts. So we'll click on create discount and then we'll create discount code. You can make it name like spring sale. Please be attentive while writing the discount code that these are case sensitive. So you should also provide a capital or small discount codes, and you can make types as percentage, fixed amount, free shipping, buy X, get Y. Like you can also make like if you buy this thing, how much this minimum, and then you will get this for how much percentage off on this thing. So there is one option percentage, like you can make a value of percentage 5, 10, 15, 100. You can make fixed amount like $5, $10. You can make free shipping for some discount, like with this discount you'll get free shipping on these orders. You can have a condition on like buy X get Y. Like here, if customers buy minimum quantity of item or minimum purchase amount of this on these products on specific collections or on specific products, like you can select the products from here like this. Like if somebody is purchasing $50 minimum from this product, then if they apply the discount code on this, then they will get this percent quantity off on these products of these collections of selected products available with percentage as well as free. You can also give them free if they are buying something, and you can give them something in free with this discount. And then you can select the customer eligibility from here, like to everyone, to specific group of customers, like specific group customers. You can also have a using limits, like how many times you want to use that discount code for per customers, like limit numbers of times this discount can be used in total, like limit one use per customer. And then you can also select active dates, like from when to when this should be active. Otherwise you can also select end date. After doing all these things, you can just click the save button. Like here, if I'm going to percentage, I'm going for 50% to all products with minimum requirement none, customers eligibility everyone, and these are should be like as it is. And you will see I have created spring sale. I will copy this same code. I will click on save here. If we click here, you see spring sale discount code has been created. We will also check it at the end by applying on some products. And then there is also automatic discounts, like you can create automatic discount by clicking here. You can give it name, not for your own use or for your customers, automatic 10% off. And then you can have it fixed amount or percentage, like we want to give 20% automatic discount for all those products with minimum requirements of like $50 off or for products, and active from here to here. And when you click on create save, we'll see that the automatic codes has been generated. Like if somebody is subscribing, and you can give them automatic code to them. Like if somebody's are coming from newsletter on your store and you want to give them automatic discount, you can just share this discount code with them in the email. If they apply it on the store, they will definitely have that 20% off. Like if we are going to our store here, you will see that how discount code works. And here you see this is a product. If we go to add to cart, if we click on buy it now, then we will have checkout button. We have created 2 discounts. Like here you see the automatic discounts that you have enabled is already applied to all the products available in your store. So be careful while applying automatic. And let's check the discount code we have made before. Like here you see, if we click on apply, a discount has been applied to this order. You can't add another discount. So we will go to our discounts, we will click on it, we will make it delete automatic discount, okay, like this, and then we will again refresh it, and you see that no automatic discount has been applied now. And now we will just apply our discount code. Okay, here you see this was the discount code we made, and it make it 50% off on this product. So these are the discount section in Shopify. You can play a little more with it and have more conversion rate higher in your store. If you like the video, to understand what I was going to tell you about discounts, then please press the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.